everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just received my package from Perfect Corset NYC. Here we have the package and I'm super excited to be opening this up with you guys and also to try this on and see how I will be styling my new corset or new top. So let's open it and see. I love the packaging. I love that they have this little zip bag right here, which is perfect and it's a very good way to secure your package and the clothing. This is what the top looks like, and it is in this denim blue material, and if you can see up close, it looks very good. Looks like it's a very nice quality. I immediately feel like it is a very good quality and I'm super excited to be trying this on. I don't have blue colors in my wardrobe, so this is one of the first. I am back and I'm wearing the corset right now. I just wanted to show you guys real quick what it looks like, and then I'm going to go into more details when I have styled it correctly. First of all, this is what it looks like up close. I really love what it looks like. I think it's super sexy and I really think that you can style this literally however. You can wear casual, you can wear this fancier, you can wear this in so many different ways and styles, and I'm super excited to show you guys and I'm actually very impressed. So first, before I tried it, I was a little bit, I don't really know what it would look like on me, but now when I have it on, I really think that it looks so good. Okay, I'm going to style this top with these white jeans, but before I do, I really want to give you guys a little closer look so you can see what it actually looks like. And also I want to say that you can wear these straps down as well, so you can wear it like this and a nice little skirt, and you can also wear them like this. If you like this look better, you can also wear them here. So let me change into my white jeans. The thing is, almost all my jeans and pants are high-waisted, so I'm not sure what it will look like with this, but I feel like it will still look good. I'm wearing these white jeans and it looks so much better. I really love the combination of the denim blue and white. I think it's super hot. I'm going to put on these heels for this outfit. This is what it looks like on the back side. And on the front, I'm actually in love with this corset. I love it. It looks so good and I can't wait to wear this outside for a night out with my girls maybe, and also casually. So, and I really love how it looks with these jeans. Even though these jeans are high-waisted, it looks so good. And of course I'm going to wear it out like this. This is the first style. I'm going to insert the picture here of the full-blown outfit and you can see for yourself with the entire look what it looks like. And I mean, just like this, you guys see it looks amazing. Another thing that I love is how it is cut. I love when it's cut like this. I feel it just gives me another push. I just had to try it out with my black sunny skirt, which I love, and together they look like this, and I thought this would be a perfect way to show you how you can style this up a little bit and also how you can wear it on nicer occasions. So for this occasion, I'm wearing my sleeves down like this. Final thoughts on this corset. So I really think it is super pretty. It looks very nice and you can wear this in different ways, which I think is perfect. So you don't only have one look with it, you can change up the styles and how you wear it in different ways. I really think that the long strings will bring something more interesting that happens when you move. I feel like whenever you move, they will go like back and forth and up and down and everything. So just something interesting to catch that catches the eyes. And also overall, this one looks very pretty. It feels amazing. It is very comfortable, which I am a little bit impressed by because I never heard of a corset that is comfortable. But this one is really comfortable. It looks great and it feels amazing. It also feels like it has this great quality, and it is very comfortable moving in it like this. I can, you know, I can go down and I can go up, and it doesn't hurt, it doesn't feel weird at all, it just feels good. So I really love this, and I'm going to be wearing this so much, and you will see me styling this in different videos as well. I'm wearing the size extra small, which is my size. Go after the size that you have, and also you can adjust with the strings. Either you pull it tighter or you just loosen it up a little bit. The corset I'm wearing is called the Vita corset, and you can find it on Perfect Corset NYC's website. Perfect Corset NYC have so many different styles of corset, and you can vary from classy and casual as well, and you can wear them in very different styles. They have so many beautiful corsets, and I was lucky to get my hands on this one, and you can use my code CO for a 25% discount on their entire website. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.
Had to bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me walking overtime. Got me some slack, I've been losing my mind. No, I'm not fine, you be killing my vibe. Got me down bad, I had to learn the hard